Over the course of the internship, I worked on multiple projects with Michelle. I think my favorite was the digitization of the Arboretum maps.
In student services at the library, I'm responsible for creating an AI literacy module. It just teaches students how to use AI effectively.
This year, I worked with a lot of bibliographic data, visualizing it and analyzing it.
A bigger project that was the last 5 months would be creating this peer-to-peer program at the library, and that will help undergraduate mentors help other students with basic research, citations, sources, and a little bit of AI literacy as well.
The main takeaway is that I can take on projects that I didn't know I could take on, and I can figure out how to solve these problems.
Some skills I learned that will be useful in the future career were how to work with large volumes of data in a clean, organized way that's easy for me to understand and easy for other people I may be collaborating with to understand.
Going into the internship, I expected to just generally learn about a lot more about AI because I was coming in with already like a surface level knowledge, but I feel like taking that time every day when I would come in to just research about like AI literacy really helped me like expand my knowledge in this area.
Definitely strengthening problem solving, analytical thinking, research, but also communication and working with different departments and seeing process improvement in real life.
I was also able to improve my own data handling skills and working with new technologies or software that I wasn't familiar with before.
So creating a relationship with both of my mentors and with Melissa as well, with our cohort, and creating those connections, that was really meaningful to me. As a senior, I don't think I knew all the opportunities and advantages that the library has, or even events, so it made me appreciate it a lot more.
I'll be continuing my studies at UC Davis, completing my electrical engineering degree and hopefully working in robotics after graduation.
I'm planning to move to Southern California and just work at a job. I'm still in the process of applying for those.
I'm a sophomore, so I'm still applying to internships, research opportunities.
So I'm actually going to be going to grad school here, so I will be sticking around for the next couple of years, and I'll be in the geography department.
I would definitely recommend just applying for this internship, giving it your best effort once you're here. You get a lot of creative freedom in the projects that you're given, and so if you really want to grow and try something new, this is the internship to choose. So.